Okay guys, this is my equipment we're going to be working with. Signal generator, frequency counter, multimeter, bench top. Then we have here the oscilloscope. It's going to be 100 megahertz scope if needed. And over here we have the Dulce, which we might need as well. We have here the soldering gun I meant. Over here we have soldering iron, the oxid, screwdrivers, and an extra multimeter Klein tools. My favorite one I always use. Then we have bin parts, all sorts of types if needed. We have the cleaner. Then we have more bin parts here. Stay tuned for more.